show, because I have never seen one where the scripting, direction, and things were not there.
No, what you said is so true. I mean, when Anupam told me that on the show, he will go with the flow. Honestly, I was nervous. I was very worried. And my team was very worried. They said, how can you commission a show like that? कुछ बता नहीं रहा है, कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है. यहाँ तक कि हमको पता नहीं था कि कौन से stars आने वाले हैं. Okay. I went with only one conviction. I said, Anupam is doing the show. His reputation is on the line more than mine. And that was a simple, and seeing what he has done in the industry, I know that he strives for perfection, and whatever he does, he gives it his 100%. And that belief is what we went with the show. And that's when I said, if you see the show, no cue cards, nothing. And I just went to see the set the day before the shoot, but my team was there, and they told me, they said, it was as if two people were having a conversation. It's only when it's edited that you see the amount of meat that comes out of that conversation.
He has been carrying the, and I think it is more than 50% of the show has been carried by him, and he could carry on with any other person sitting against him, and that makes a difference with that. And I feel when he said 7 years afterward he would try for the politics, it means that he would be he will go on being a better and better actor, so he could be a prime minister, or it could be in his mind he would stop acting and be a prime minister. That you should answer.
Thank you so much. That's very, very, I don't know, but you see, the show can only carry, my grandfather used to say that if you are telling the truth, you don't have to remember it. So I was asking them questions where they did not. So when Shah Rukh is describing the moment he was praying in that car park and his mother was in the ICU, I saw in his eyes that whole scene playing. No show, and in no show I have promoted any film. There is no promotion of the film because that was not the purpose. Because if I had promoted a film, they would have come with this thought. So I must thank him for trusting me, and I must thank my reputation. He said perfectionist. I think more than perfectionist, I stick to the truth, and at this stage, I don't need to do anything else. So it's something, this will be a lifetime experience for me. The team, the people who got involved with it. Ashim sent me a message. Ashim Sen, who was the online editor, he sent me a message. He said, I have done, and he has done all shows. He does Jhalak and he does all reality shows. He says, this is one show which I will carry with me for the rest of my life. Because it changed people's life. It changed the life of the guest also while that show was going on. Because when you revisit your life, it makes you feel how much have you moved on from there. Yes, please. And
that means this, what we just saw, I think if you compare it with all the other episodes, this may turn out to be the best, what we just had a live of.
Thank you, thank you. This is talking about us.
Yeah, I know.
The show could be the best.
If my programming programming head agrees, we'll make it 13th episode.
Thank you so much. You know, this was the frightening thing you said, because next show, kuch bhi ho sakta hai, you can be seeing the Raj Nayak show, and I will be in the audience.
It is hota hai nahi, it is ho gaya hai. Thank you,
sir. Yes, sir. Mic de diye wo piche sir ko.
Hello.
Yes, we'll come to you.
Hello.
Thoda tez chalo.
Hi, sir. Yo.
Yeah, good evening to all. This is Raj from media. Anupam ji, I'd like to ask you that सफलता और असफलता आपके लिए क्या मायने रखती है?
देखिए, सफलता प्रोफेशन में आती जाती है, सफलता जिंदगी में बरकरार रहती है. मैंने तो पूरा प्ले अपनी असफलताओं पर किया है. मेरे हिसाब से जो चीजें जिंदगी में असफलताएं सिखाती हैं, वो सफलता नहीं सिखाती है. According to me, success is very one-dimensional. Failure has many dimensions if you try and take it, analyze it, and if you take it in the right sense. My father was a very funny man. He used to say, "अरे first तो सब आते हैं यार, पर first आने वाले को टेंशन होती है, हर साल first आना होता है. जो 58th आता है, उसको कोई टेंशन नहीं, वो next time 47th आ सकता है, 35th आ सकता है, 18th आ सकता है." So I have never taken failure very seriously. at all. Yes, please.
One last question, please.
Hi, sir. Here.
Yes.
Do you think this show is the answer?
Raise your hand, please.
Yeah.
I can't hear. No, there is a lady. Ha.
Yeah. Do you think the Anupam Kher show is India's answer to the David Letterman show?
No, David Letterman's show will be the answer of India Anupam Kher show. Why should I be? Not at all. Not at all. I don't think David Letterman's show has a heart. He's a great chat show host, but I see lack of heart in it. Because it's a daily show, he can't put his heart in it. But I think it's a better show, and I'm not saying it with arrogance. I'm saying it with a lot of love for David Letterman and a lot of respect for him. No, I don't think it cannot be copy of anybody. So anybody from the media who wants to make in comparison, Anupam ka matlab hota hai not somebody who can't be compared to anybody. So good or bad, this is my show. And I'm ready to take the, if it's not good, it's because of me. If it's good, because of everybody else.
राज मनीष इंडिया टीवी से। राज, ये जानना चाहेंगे हम कि संडे को 8 बजे शो टाइम रखी गई है, उसी टाइम पे बाकी चैनल्स के भी कई बड़े शोज चलते हैं, तो ये और शो लॉन्च हो रहा है और शो ऑन एयर जाएगा उसी टाइम पे, इतना बड़ा रिस्क क्यों? क्योंकि कुछ भी हो सकता है।
नहीं, देखो, हम कोई भी शो कहीं भी लगाते हैं तो दूसरे चैनल पर कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है। दिस इज आवर कन्विक्शन एंड बिलीफ इन दिस शो। जिन लोगों को अनुपम खेर शो देखना है, भले कुछ भी शो चलता हो, लोग देखने आएंगे।
सर, हमने देखा अनुपम सर आपके शो में देखा बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज हैं, जैसा कि राज सर ने बताया कि कुछ डेट इशू भी थे, कुछ नहीं आ पाए। कोई ऐसा सेलिब्रिटी था जिसको आप लाना चाह रहे थे और नहीं आ पाया इस सीजन में? वो
नहीं, मैं मिस्टर बच्चन को चाहता था अपने पहले एपिसोड में, बट जो लोग मैं इस शो को 20 दिनों में करना चाहता था, बिकॉज हमने सेट लगाया था 20 दिन के लिए, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैं अगले एपिसोड में आ जाऊंगा आपके। सो ऐसे कोई किसी ने मना नहीं किया, बट बिकॉज दे वर बिजी, मसरूफ थे, इसलिए वो होपफुली नेक्स्ट सीजन में आए।
एक्चुअली लेट मी, ही इज बीइंग मॉडेस्ट. Every person Anupam called said yes. The problem we had, which he's told me, this is my list, can we do 26 episodes? We couldn't do 26 episodes because we have planned another show 13 weeks later. And that's when I said, we'll look at season 2. But that is again, that's when I say his popularity and his respect and affection that he shares in the industry is unparalleled.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
कौन करेगा?
Thank you so much.
This
No,
lady,
we'll go 1-2 questions.
let's all right. कौन करेगा? मेरी लाइफ पर अगर कोई फिल्म बनाना चाहे तो मेरा किरदार, हमें तो यंग एज के लिए किसी को ढूंढना पड़ेगा, ओल्ड एज वाला तो मैं ही कर लूंगा खुद ही। मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं इस बारे में, इनफैक्ट पता नहीं पता नहीं। मैं प्ले करता हूं अपनी लाइफ के ऊपर, और जिसमें मैं बचपन से लेकर अब तक की एज के ऊपर करता हूं। आप कर देंगे? चलिए चलिए, आप कर दीजिए, आप लिखिए और जरूर कर दीजिए, व्हाई नॉट।
हेलो सर।
किरण खेर जी, नेक्स्ट सीजन में she will be my most favorite guest to have. In fact, we tried to get her this time also.
She just got election and
elections वगैरह और फिर MP वगैरह. But I'll be very happy to. In fact, in my next episode, I will suggest that I want to interview myself and see how honest I can be as the person who is answering myself.
Hello,
and
sir.
We have to work it out. Yes.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
This show is the extension of your famous play with the same name, right?
Yes.
So, what made you decide to go for this extension after the play?
Because I discovered that we give failure too much importance. And in my life, failure has really made me very optimistic. So I wanted to share, when I was a struggling actor and when I had no work in Bombay, I used to read a lot of autobiographies of people. And I used to get very inspired by them with the first half till they made it. After they became successful, then it was boring. So I thought if I pick up people who lives are so inspiring. You see, it's so fascinating that a boy who worked in a serial called Fauji is today the second most rich entertainer in the world. Yuvraj had cancer and he came back and played. We are in a country today, we are in a very aspirational mood. And I think I have great conviction that younger people need these people's love stories, I'm saying, need these people's stories to make them feel, okay, I can do that. So that was the reason that I wanted to do it.
Anupam
Mr.
sir. Hello. Idhar last.
Nothing. I just told my research team, tell me about them. And then I went with the flow. How can I decide what they want to answer? I just wanted to become a listener. Yes, please.
अनुपम सर, जानना चाहूंगी कि जब करण जौहर कोई सवाल पूछते हैं या अनुपम खेर पूछते हैं तो सारे सेलिब्रिटीज अच्छे से जवाब देते हैं, टालते नहीं हैं, गुस्सा नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन ये चीज जब मीडिया करती है तो क्यों नाराज होते हैं? और सेलिब्रिटीज के शो लेके अब तक कामयाबी जो भी
मेरे ख्याल से विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू मीडिया, मीडिया का एक पर्पस होता है. मेरा पर्पस उनको डिस्कम्फर्ट देना नहीं होता है. बिकॉज वी कैन समटाइम आस्क अ डिस्कम्फर्टेबल क्वेश्चन, अनकंफर्टेबल क्वेश्चन, एंड ये तो पर्सनल इक्वेशन है. आई थिंक आप अपने मीडिया वाले से कोई सवाल करेंगे तो वो आपको जवाब दे देगा. सिंपल सी बात है. हाउ मीडिया की स्टोरी इंडिया टीवी में अभी तक किसी मीडिया वाले ने लिखा नहीं है. सो नहीं लिखते हैं. these are called the professional silent codes. I think we should respect that.
मिस्टर राज, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि अनुपम खेर शो तो ये हो चुका है, लेकिन
सिर्फ अनुपम खेर के नाम है. आई एम सो सॉरी. एंड
थैंक यू एवरीवन.
डन. थैंक यू सो मच. बड़ा मजा आया मुझे, आपको भी. आई होप दैट यू हैड अ गुड इवनिंग एंड एंजॉय द शो. वो एक दुकानों पे लिखा होता है, अगर आपको हमारा खाना अच्छा लगा तो सबको बताओ, बुरा लगा तो मुझे बताना. तो वही रखना. चलिए.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक्स अ लॉट.